No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed. So this year has been filled with movies, and it's been from one movie premiere to another. So I'm here to remind you of the amazing yet to premiere movies that are set to premiere this coming year, 2024. Let's take a look at the countdown of some movie trailers, and let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite and which one you're looking forward to watching. The Service to Heart by Paul S. Wheeler.
Elizabeth.
She's been locked in there since morning. Elizabeth! S'ouvrir!
Elizabeth, always know I will always love you. Don't put that on me. She dreams because of you. I have been carrying my sipper how since you were a little boy. And all you've done is fan the flames in my life.
You play victim, and slowly you just drive one of us insane.
She's the one more affected by this. She's the one that remains with her. Slammed with the harsh reality that one day she will be holding a dead baby.
You mean you want our daughter dead?
Dangerous Obsession.
Sarah, what are you doing here?
At least let me in for all time's sake.
What happened between us was a mistake. I love my wife.
If I don't have you, no one else will.
I am a changed man. For you, for us, and our unborn baby.
After all the emotions I invested in this relationship, only to be hurt and abandoned. It's showtime, baby.
To hell with you, you stupid bitch. You just shot my wife.
Shut up! And don't you dare raise your voice at me.
Please let me save my wife. She's pregnant.
Make love to me. Long and passionate. You have approximately 10 seconds to strip and get hard. Time is ticking. 10. If I don't have you, nobody else will. If you're there first, I get what I want.
Lufian Arc Co. 77.
If we all work together, this treasure gonna fall right in our hands. We as good as the first family.
Vixen is my name, but people call me Zen. We have lost the call 77, and you guys are the prime suspects.
Now, get dressed and get your shit downstairs.
Vegas must know something.
Vegas is only trying to exempt himself from the suspects, and you know it.
At this point, everybody's a fucking suspect, including you. So if you won't start talking, we'll all die a painful fucking death. You'll be first.
The choice is yours.
Then we have Kikondo, all the way from Chingola.
Mwanami Alex, tarayo wauba. Wandaire mba ukampotera motoka. Ukantungira nzuku. Tarayo chaikara. Keba bonse bakwachireko. Wiba mone. Keba kamona po chawama pano pantandani. Neba umvuineko bonse. Keba basokoroke.
Kuno.
Natwishiwa chintu chinashtukalipa bonse umbanga mwakosha umutima twaramushikashani twaramupeashari muchinshi warasitindile yesu
ngevingufuira ati uyu mwache Alista nomuguys Alex n'abapita
nachibipo mwache uri Alista
twalinango pakito boys uri mwache
haona chibipo
ofena kuipayire iwe watalile leta kunangu chimo
He wasn't just our boss, but he was our friend. Just take the 75% of value arrangement.
Aminke babonse bamujire posa bakamurete bakarete mu bijiku no kwikushi. Fukulu.
Namwinga. Evil.
We also have City of Goons by Awisi Films.
I heard of an opportunity in Chibombo. I want to have my own mind. Okay, 50-50.
I will get 60% and you get 40.
Ndali is moving gold from Chibombo to Lusaka.
I'm out of the game.
I will make you agree. I know him well enough to risk my cover. Just trust me.
What if something happens to you?
Initiate plan B now.
Thank you for watching, guys. Those are some of the movies scheduled to premiere next year, and I definitely look forward to watching all of them. I'll be seeing you on the red carpet next year. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I get up.